Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. How your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. Now I want to say something. I want to say when I did the curry chicken, the info on the curry chicken, I had asked for somebody or some of you all to help me with the different names of the chocho. Now I got a few people helping me out in the comment section. I want to say thank you so much. It's highly appreciated by me. Thanks. Now today I want to do for you just a simple little video. It's just a simple little stress-free thing, and it's going from my family straight to your family, for all the family members to get involved. I want to show you how to get a few eggs scrambled stress-free. Because sometimes I see people do some little scrambled eggs something and I start sweating all them something there, and you know, like them out for stress on people. The people need to know how to scramble a few eggs stress-free. Okay, you all? And if you are interested in that, come right here. Now, the first and foremost thing, you don't scramble eggs. A matter of fact, you do nothing with eggs on a high heat. Eggs must be taken care of on medium heat. If you're frying, scrambling, boiling, scalding, medium heat. Okay, right here I have 3 eggs. So what you want to do, and remember, I'm taking it that you all know that you have to wash your eggs. Because if you know the whole process of this egg thing, you know where egg come from, all of that. Please to wash your eggs when you purchase them, okay? So you're gonna crack them, and you want to make sure you see the 3 yolks intact. If they are not intact, that simply means the yolks are intact right here. This one is not even so much intact. When it's like this, you know that the eggs, they are fresh. When they are not like this and the yolks scattering all over, they are stale. They're not fresh. I don't know how stale they would be, but they're not fresh. So we're going to do just a pinch, because most of the times I'm using the salt for like some people would want to use, because I really don't do salt and things in eggs. So you just want to gently beat these eggs. You don't want to beat them up like, you know, it's a construction site thing. You just want to gently beat them. And you want to come over and put your hand over your pot and you feel it slightly, a little more than warm. So you want to, while pouring in, you're beating. Okay. So it's medium heat. So they are in, and you just want to start slipping around. You just want to start playing around with them. Just start playing around. Maybe we can go a little bit more, not a lot. So we just want to start playing around. And I'm going to show you something right here and right now. These, remember, it's just 3 eggs. You're on medium heat. Huh? Okay. Look at, I want it to be all in. Look at what is happening. You notice that the eggs are getting all curdled. Now it's set together. Look at what is happening. Now look at this right here. Right now, I'm going to turn the flame off. Look at it. You turn the flame off and you leave it. You don't scramble or anything. There is still heat underneath it. So you want some nice, succulent, juicy, fluffy scrambled eggs. The heat is off. All right, you're going to leave the heat off. Look at this. You don't want your scrambled egg them any more drier than this. You turn the heat off whilst it is still coming together, so you don't have to wait. So look at this now. Get right in, camera girl. What more could you ask for in scrambled eggs? Nice, juicy, soft, succulent scrambled eggs. Okay. Now we are going to plate these scrambled eggs. You're looking for fluffy scrambled eggs. That's what you get right there. Now you want to just like put a little garnish. So you're going to use just, you know, just for garnishing in case you're serving somebody. So you just want to cut a few strips of green scallion, because you know, so guess what? If we was making an omelette, we would have put a little green scallion in it. So not a lot. You just want to put a little thing on the top there, a little watchman. So you're going to sprinkle it all over it. Eh? Make it look nice. You don't want any more because it's just 3 eggs. So you put it right over it, and if it never arranged properly, you just arrange it with the tip of your knife. If you have your black pepper and you want to sprinkle a little, you can sprinkle a little out, a little from. Now, there you have it. From my kitchen to yours, to your family table, from my kitchen, from my family to your kitchen, to your family table, it's a stress-free scrambled eggs. Dad, you can do this whilst mom is in the shower or putting on her makeup. You don't have to wait. Kids can put on their clothes, come downstairs or whatever, going to school. You can do this. It's as and listen to me. This, put the camera upon me, is in the history of scrambled eggs. It's the best. And I know you're going to say, why, Debbie? You know why? It's no stress. Let me tell you something now about this scrambled egg. This is a small frying pan. This is not designed, when you see me throw the liquid in there from the egg mixture, this is not designed to hold more than 3 eggs. So you wouldn't beat up 6 eggs put into this, because the egg them are going to overcook. Eh? Yeah. Now, you beat up from anywhere from 6 to 12 to 13 to 15 into this one, because it has the capacity. It has the capacity. So try to remember, you need the size of the frying pan to match the amount of eggs. Because you're not going to want to put 3 eggs in this. Because you put 3 eggs in this and it starts to swirl around. It starts, you know what's going to happen? It's going to look like a crepe. Is it, camera girl? Is it a crepe or something? Some former Italian or something. It's a crepe? I think it's a crepe. C-R-E-P-E with some hyphen or something under there. I'm gonna, you all know. Tell me what it is, because you're brilliant. I know that. So you put 3 eggs into this. And you start to go like that. You're going to just have this thin lining, this thin coating. So the key to it is the size of the frying pan to the amount of eggs. Now, if you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Continue to subscribe. Share this video with your friends, your family, your co-worker. Share, share, share. Like. Now, I have a few West Indian Delights announcement to make. I think her name is Tamika F. You sent me a direct YouTube message today. I'm trying to reply. I am not able to reply because it seems like your YouTube account is private. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave for you in the description, and for all of you who want to get on to me for business or for maybe like just a regular thing, no hanky panky. For business purposes, you know what I do. I'm going to leave a WhatsApp number. You will not get me if you call on that number. So I'm going to leave for you a WhatsApp number that you can get on to me. If your YouTube account is private, I will not be able to reply to the message. Okay, y'all? Carol G, you sent me the same direct message through YouTube on the 16th of December. And you sent me a number. I have put it in the WhatsApp contacts. It's not coming up in there. So I am thinking, and you all can help me on this. With the area code, she's in the UK. With the area code and the 7-digit number, I'm supposed to have 11 numbers, eh? I'm thinking that. I don't know how UK goes, but I'm thinking that. But I have 12 numbers. Therefore, when I try to call, it's not going through and it's not coming up in the WhatsApp contact. So you all who want to get on to me, I'm going to leave in the description my WhatsApp contacts for business purposes only. Now, once more, from my kitchen to yours, to your family table, it's a stress-free scrambled eggs. Yeah, man. Debbie from Dongayard. Remember the 2018 thing? Bless, no stress, y'all.